Hey guys, welcome to OneSub Tutorials. My name is Shanu and I'm a part of OneSub support team. In this video, I will show you how to duplicate your routing form. For your information, duplicating is useful if you want to use the same routing form interactions with slight changes for a different campaign or purpose without creating a new one from scratch. So let's go. Once you log into your OneSub account, you will see your home screen. From here, you need to click on Routing Forms from the left panel. Once you click on it, you will see all the routing forms on your account. Now click on the three dots next to the routing form from which you want to duplicate. Next, click on Duplicate and enter the new routing form name. Finally, click on Duplicate button. This will create a copy of the routing form. Now you can further edit as per your need. And finally, click on Publish. So yeah, that was it. You're all set now, and I'll see you in the next one.